They chug, rumble, and whistle like a railroad steam locomotive. And aside from an obvious lack of train track, there's not a lot of difference. These amazing machines from a day long ago were used in farming, as tractors and to power things like threshers. Today, they're part of the collections of members of the Ozarks Steam Engine Association in southwest Missouri. You can check out these historic units and many more at the annual Ozarks Steam Engine Association Steam-O-Rama in Republic, Missouri. For more information on the big event, simply check out the organization's website for dates and details.